Look at what the army people did to the people in Asokoro, in Nyanya Maraba today. Block the road since morning. Block the road since morning, and look at how people are suffering. See how people are suffering. What is wrong with them? See how people are suffering. Look at them. Look at them. What kind of thing is this? Can you see? Can you see the long wait of people? Oh my God. This is terrible. This is terrible. God will help us. Of that, people now started doing one way. Can you imagine? Will you blame them? Will you blame them for doing one way? See how the whole place has got turned to something I don't know. Can you imagine? See the people going down to that place now, cannot move. Look at it. See terrible hold up, back and forth. Security operatives are there, VIO are there. They cannot do anything. This is too bad. See people that have already trekked to Abacha Barrack side. Can you see? Can you see? This is terrible. This is terrible. See people. This is terrible. This is terrible. See people. See people. See people trekking. See people trekking. See people trekking. See suffer. See suffer. See suffer of people. See suffer. I'm videoing from Abacha Barrack. See suffer. This is almost to 10 in the morning. Since morning, I left my house 6:30. Ordinarily, by 7:15, I should be in my office. Look at the time. To 10, we're still suffering. Can you imagine? Oh my God. This is terrible. This is terrible. Just for you to...
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.